Hello guys, so welcome to my new video, where in this video we're going to be talking about the second method to find the roots of a quadratic equation. And this is the second method, which is called the formula method. And this is a very straightforward method of finding the roots of an equation. Now, just to maybe recall from what we know, that the general quadratic equation should look like this, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. And so technically, as what it's called, the formula method, it uses a formula to find the roots of a quadratic equation, which is negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And that's it. That's how you get the roots of a quadratic equation. So we're going to do two questions here, and we can see how we can solve it, how we can actually use this formula. It's really straightforward. So in the first example, we have 2x squared minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. And we have to find the roots for this equation. So maybe since we're just starting out, we can just write down the general equation again. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So what's our a? Our a is 2. Our b, we have to remember, our b is negative 2, because you see, this is the b. B is negative 2. And the c will be negative 3. Okay? Negative 3. Okay. And with that, we can already just plug in the values to find the roots. So the roots will be negative b. So what is our b? It's negative 2. So we can just sub it in there. Plus minus square root of b squared minus 4, and our a is 2, our c is negative 3, over, over 2, and our a is 2. Now, it takes some time to memorize this formula, although it is given in exam. It's good to actually memorize it. It's not too difficult. You can just say it in a flow and you'll actually get the quadratic equation. Okay, so as we were solving, x equals to negative 2, negative times negative 2 is 2, plus minus, and so negative 2 squared gives us 4, minus, what is negative 4 times 2 times negative 3? That gives us 24. So it gives us 24 over 2 times 2 is 4. So x is 2 plus minus third. 24 plus 4 gives us 28 over 4. Okay, so the only very important thing we have to remember from here is that since we have a plus minus here, this gives us two values, because it could be either a plus third 28 or a minus third 28. Okay, so we can split into 2. So 2 plus third 28 over 4, sorry, and x equal to 2 minus third 28 over 4. Okay, and now we're almost done. All we have to do is simplify our answer, and this will give us 2 third 7 over 4. This gives us x equal to 2 minus 2 third over 7 over 4, which gives us 1 plus third 7 over 2, and x is equal to 1 minus third 7 over 2. That's it. You can get your answer in decimal places, but I'm going to leave my answer as whole numbers here. Fractions. Okay, so pretty straightforward, right? So let's try a second question here. So we can rewrite again ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So our a is 2, our b will be -6, and our c will be 3. And all we have to do is just implement the formula. X equal to negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And that's it. All we have to do is just find the roots again. Negative times -6 gives us 6 plus minus, and we can just directly solve it. -6 squared minus 4 times 2 times 3 gives us 12, and 2 times 2 is 4. So x, and remember, so we're done with that, and the next step is to actually split this. We get 6 plus 12 over 4, and x is equal to 6 minus 12 over 4. Okay, and when you simplify your answer, so with this one we will get 6 plus 2 3 over 4, and x is equal to 6 minus 2 3 over 4, and if we divide by 2 we get 3 plus 3 over 2, and x is equal to 3 minus 3 over 4. That's your final answer, and that's how you use the quadratic formula. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.